G'day viewers, it's Peter from my Bonza channel, and I'm here today with my brand new Classic Gerni 130.3. Not here to do a review today. I'm here to show you how to actually load this hose reel. The instructions on the Gerni actually sucks, I reckon, and it took me ages to work out how to actually roll the hose onto this reel. So quick video today to show how it's done. Alright, so basically the first thing you need to do is to unscrew this attachment, the hose attachment. Alright, so once you've done that, you put it in the hose reel. There are two latches on the reel. I usually like the one on the right. You just make sure that that gets hooked on under there, that holds it in place. Once that's locked into place, you just commence to roll the hose. And that's it, guys. Not as easy as I would have hoped, but that's how I roll it up. If there's a better way and someone can show me, leave a link to your video and I'll be glad to come out and have a look and learn something new. Anyway, that's me, Peter, from my Bonza channel. I'm signing off again. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if this video was handy. And yeah, I'm always looking for new subscribers, guys. So subscribe if you haven't already and click that little bell to make sure you get notified of future videos. Catch you later, guys.